Are you learning English for years but still making small mistakes that stop you from speaking confidently? Hello everyone, welcome to Komal's Lingo Lab. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most common English mistakes many learners make every day without realizing it. These are simple mistakes that can affect your fluency, grammar, and confidence. The good news is, once you understand them clearly with example, you can easily fix them and start speaking more natural and correct English step by step. English learners around the world often face similar problems, and today I'll explain the most common English mistakes step by step with simple examples so you can understand and fix them easily. First mistake is direct translation from your native language into English. Many learners think in their own language and translate word by word. But English doesn't work like that. For example, people say, I have 20 years old. But the correct sentence is, I am 20 years old. So always remember, don't translate, think in English structure. Second mistake is confusion with basic verbs like is, am, are. This is very common, but very easy to fix. We say, she are a teacher. But correct is, she is a teacher. The rule is simple. With I, there should be am. I am. He, she, it. With subjects like I, we use am always. So, I am a boy. With subjects like he, she, it, we always use is. He is. She is. It is. With subjects like you, we, they, we always use are. You are. We are. They are. If you remember this pattern, your grammar will instantly improve. So the third mistake is making sentences too complicated. Many learners believe long sentences sound more advanced. But actually, simple English is more powerful. Instead of saying, I am in the condition of being very tired, you should say, I am very tired. Clear, short, and correct sentences always sound more natural. Fourth mistake is not practicing speaking regularly. English is not something you only learn from books. It is a skill you build by speaking every day. Even 10 minutes of daily speaking practice can improve your fluency more than hours of reading. So remember, improving English is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. Avoid these mistakes, keep your English simple, and practice every day. That's how you will become confident and fluent step by step. If you are serious about improving your English step by step, then don't forget to subscribe Komal's Lingo Lab. Upload simple practical lessons that will help you speak English with confidence and without fear. Hit the subscribe button and join the learning journey with me. Thank you.